Hey guys, welcome back to Codebox. Let's start the video. So in previous video we have seen all the logical operators of SQL, and now I am going to show you all the aggregate functions. Let's start. We are going to perform the aggregate functions on price of product table. So first I am going to show you the sum function, how to calculate the sum of all the prices. Select sum price from product as total price. Now you can see we are getting the sum of all the prices of the products. Now let's see how to calculate the average of all the product prices. It's the same syntax. Select average of price as AVG price from table from product. So guys, as you can see, we are getting the average price, that is 10,822 rupees. Now we are going to see the average. Now we are going to see how to count all the items in the table. So select count all from products. So now we will get the count of all products. Yes, there are total 20 products in the table. So let's see next the minimum value and maximum value of all the product prices. So I am going to show you simultaneously a minimum and the maximum value. Minimum price, max price, from product. So you can see the minimum price is 50 rupees and the maximum price is 55,000. Is how to write a query to execute all the aggregate values. Now we will calculate sum of prices. After that, minimum value of price, maximum value of price, and after that average of price, and last one count. So guys, there are only 5 types of aggregate functions. from product. Let's see the output. So as you can see, we are getting all the aggregate functions in one table: sum, min, max, average, and count. Thank you guys, and subscribe for more.